Hey guys, we're back again. A couple of days ago I published a video about the demagnetizer tool, and I wanted to show you what's inside, because I'm interested to find out what's inside as well. So let's dig into it, try and make this one as well sort of a shorter video, and let's find out how it works. Of course, unplug make sure there's no power in this, and where to put my there. Let's dig into it. Looks like it's just these 4 screws, because these are for, I'm guessing, well, that's gotta be the transformer that does the demagnetizing. Let's see what's inside. Long screws. I mean, these aren't as bad as I thought. I probably could have done with my secure, but let's just use the hand. Muscle power, old-fashioned servo steering. Okay. Not a whole lot to it. And if you can hear my dog in the background, he is going nuts outside. So I gotta go check on him in a little bit. I'm noticing that the wires for the button are very thin, and this one is glued down. It's a 6 microfarad 450 volt cap. Can you see 400? Yeah, 450 volts. It's a cap. So that one I probably knew was there. The transformer I knew was there. And it's got cloth wire. That's kind of cool. And they're, wow, I like that. They're using terminal blocks. And there is 4 diodes for the rectifier. What is it that Electro Boom says? Full bridge rectifier. Yeah. So, are there any components on the bottom side so it's worth taking off? And no, there's not. There are no components on the underside or the bottom side of that board. So this really is just a simple driver for the transformer. A couple of power resistors. That's a, what's the rating on that? 16 amp relay. So there's basically nothing really to it. The cap is soldered directly to the board, as is the LED and the button, but they're using terminal blocks for the transformer and for the input. I would have thought there was more to it, but I'm also, I looked up when I started, I looked up maybe thinking to make one of these, and you can make it and make something that's very, very similar to this from a microwave, but that is not for the inexperienced, because microwave transformers pack some serious punch and do not work with that. So same with this. This is 240 volts. I'm in Europe. Everything is 240 volt, and so be careful when you work with this stuff, because you can yeah. So you just press the button that activates the transformer, just one boost, one punch, and it will demagnetize. Because there is another type of these. I'll put a link, or I'll put a picture up and a link down below to that as well. which is, you'll see it in the picture that I'll add on here. Simple little blue box, and that one I considered getting it, but yeah, this one is so much easier, because the other one you'd have to like take the tweezer and you hold it above, you press a button, and while holding the button you have to move it far away, and the same again and again, just to sort of draw the magnetism out of it. This one, lay it on top, press a button, Bob's your uncle. So yeah, this is what's inside. It's really not that much. There is a rectifier, 4 rectifying diodes. They look like simple 1N4007. 6 resistors, a center, and another diode there. And there's the power resistor, a relay, 2 caps. That's it. Of course, the transformer. It's actually very well made, and it's reasonable. In this video too, I'll put a link to it down below, where you can buy it on AliExpress. I'll link to the seller that I bought it from, and full disclosure, the links to AliExpress are affiliate links, which means that if you do buy something from my links, I make a cent or two, and I can use that, should there be anything, I can use that to maybe buy something to work on, make a project of, or maybe buy a new tool to test out, you know, the normal sort of thing. And yeah, so I want to thank you guys for watching my channel, and I wanted to also say thank you to all the recent subscribers, because I've had a real influx of new subscribers, which is very unusual to me. I've never been very much, not been good at making videos, and I mean, I could get a subscriber here, a subscriber there, like every couple of subscribers a week maybe, and then it could be weeks with nothing. And now all of a sudden, in the last week and a half or thereabouts, I've had close to 50 new subscribers, and I really appreciate that, guys. I really do. But thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you to the new subscribers, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, Paul. Thank you all.